Yesterday we have a GMC van where they changed the fuel pump and the van still won't start, and they have a problem here on the body. How you test the chassis ground, crank it. Restart. Okay, turn it off. No start. And what I did is found a bad ground. See? You set the meter, set the tester, see what it's reading. 1.9 volts. That's supposed to read a ground. You come over here on the ground post here. 1.6, it read the same voltage. This is supposed to be a ground. And if you look here, you could see the chassis ground wire is broken. So what I did is took jumper cables and attached the chassis ground and the wire there. See now you see I got ground now the chassis got ground. And if I come back over here, test this one, see now I got ground. Started. There you go. Now she start. One simple chassis ground could cause all of that problem. Now what I did is run the jumper cables from the battery down to underneath the van and ground the chassis. And you can see the wire go all the way up here to the body to ground the whole chassis of the car. So body to chassis is the problem. So this is a fix. Peace.